Hi, Paul Edwards here. I'm currently looking for MC driving work, local or interstate. I have 30 years experience. Um, Not looking for furniture removals. I've done that when I was younger. Looking more for taut liner or refrigerated work or flat tops. Um, Fully compliant with load restraint, child, dogs, chains, ratchet dogs, straps. Um, Very familiar with being able to load my truck right, putting the weights where they have to be to get my weights right on my prime mover, on my tries. Currently just finished up doing line haul for a guy out at Jimboomba. I enjoyed it. It's just I was never home, and I more want to be at least home at least one day. I was away sometimes for 3-4 weeks before I'd even get a day off actually at home. That's about it. Alright, hope to hear from you. Cheers, thank you, bye.